Hi, welcome dear students to this video sessions. This is revision video of chapter 1. Hope all of you are in a good health and are preparing. You are busy in your busy in preparing your half yearly exams. So I would like to recommend all of you must join the online class so that you will able to ask the questions which you have any problem, so that you will not face any problem in the half yearly exams. Thank you. Today I'm going to discuss about motherboard, CPU, RAM and ROM. Motherboard. Here you can see the image of the motherboard. So motherboard can be considered as the skeleton of a computer with parts similar to human organs fit within it. The internal hardware, it is inside the CPU cabinet, you can say, and all the peripheral device, you can see the different uh, attached with it. Okay. So now you can see here the motherboard, other image. You can see the PCI, how the different slots for different for the RAM, ROM, processor. So now you can see the PCI Express, PCI and CPU socket. So all you can see the where it is a CMOS battery, where it is. So motherboard is made up of the hard plastic and is fixed in the CPU cabinet. That's true. Simply you and all the device, all the you can see various device connected with the motherboard. So now they're going to discuss the CPU. Here you can see the image of the CPU. CPU and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Consists of following features. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. So CPU also performs all type of data processing operations. Now it stores data, intermediate result, and instructions program. It also controls the operation of all parts of the computer. For example, when you input data, so input can be done using the keyboard, and input the data keyboard. It processes the data. Where it processes? CPU processes the data. Okay, processing is done the CPU, and we get the result. So the output device, that monitor. Simple it works. Simply all of you are able to understand how it works. Next one you can see here the various components. Three components, has three components. First one is memory unit. It is the principal storage of the computer. So it stores both data and instruction when entered. Next one is the arithmetic and logical unit, ALU. So ALU performs the arithmetic and logical operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Third one is control unit. It controls the operation of every part of the computer system. So this unit also controls the transfer of data and instruction among other unit of the computer. And you can see here the structure of how when you enter input unit here, it processes. The processing is done the CPU. So all these memory unit, control units, and arithmetical and logical unit, all these involved, all the components involved in the processing. CPU, memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logical unit, and get the result here. So hope all of you are able to understand what is the process of what is the work of the CPU. So next one is the RAM. Here you can see the image of the RAM. This is the random access memory. Is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program, and program results. It is read-write memory which stores data until the machine is working. So as soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. So this is volatile, this is volatile memory. So once the power gone, you will not able to recover your data. So it is recommended to use UPS so that you are able to get back up. So you will not lost your data. You have a UPS, uninterrupted power supply. So now we're able to understand the RAM. Another one is the ROM. ROM is the ROM. So ROM is the read-only memory. Here you can see the read-only memory. And so what do you have learned already? RAM is a volatile, that is the data is stored in it is lost when we switch off the computer or if there is a power failure. So this happens in the case of RAM. Understood? And when we are when we're talking about the ROM, this is read-only memory with integrated circuit inside the PC. The storage of program and data in the ROM is permanent. So RAM is a volatile and ROM is non-volatile. So when we're talking about the ROM, ROM is non-volatile, and it does not lose its content on failure of power supply. So ROM are also three types, that is the PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. I hope all of you are able to understand the topics which I explained. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.